Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Facebook, Apple, and Amazon. We follow the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like this video, go to my website, they're free, or click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Traders, if you're looking for a new broker, check out venomtrading.com/promo/StockBookie. These guys are the best in the business. It's the same as cobratrading.com. Check these guys out, sign up, get this going. You won't be disappointed, guys. Been using these guys for a long time. Check them out. venomtrading.com or cobratrading.com. All right, guys, so Facebook. We had 15 million on the day, $3.47 down, 1.88% in the red. We've talked about this inside bar consolidating, going sideways, retracing up to this level possibly. Pretty much the market trade. If you look at the big indexes, it's the same moves. If you look at the SPY, move, same move. Look at the Q's move. Q move though, it went to almost a double top. Started we filled the gap and boom, right back down. But we're talking about Facebook right now, so let's get back into that. So Facebook, guys, we did close back below the 50 MA, a little bit weak, but we're still above the 20 and the 200. We're still above this trend line here. I'm going to pull this out way over. So, and we hit the 618, which is a big retrace area, and where we started breaking down with the red candles. That's big. Volume was decent on these candles, so moving up into this area on light volume is going to be a little bit tougher to get through here. A lot of people holding the bag up in here, and even up in there where you get to the point where it's like, gosh, you know, if this thing goes down again, I'm going to be holding the bag from 192, and next thing you know, this is at 160. So be real careful with this. This nice little reversal candle on the day. Let's see if we get some follow through and start filling gaps down here and come back to this trend line, or the 618 coming back down. Remember, the 618 retrace went from the bottom to the top. Now we're going from the top to the bottom, which is actually the 382, the 50, 618, and the 750 in here. Great support in here as well. We'll be watching the 200 MA and the low, which was 167, right in that ballpark with some change. So let's see if we get some follow through, or do we stay above the moving averages, consolidate? If we do that, then we have a real good chance of moving up. If this pattern fails, of course, then we're definitely moving down. So right now, I want to see weekly closes on these chart time frames. I want to see what the weekly looks like, because there's a lot of these inside bars where it needs to close above on a weekly and continue up on volume. So that's what we're going to be watching for on pretty much everything at this point. It's all a market trade, guys. Apple. Well, Apple, you know, give it a little hype with Warren Buffett and talk about Warren Buffett and talk about Warren Buffett and talk about what Warren Buffett. Let's have a 3-hour special on how he's loading up on Apple. So anyways, guys, huge resistance up here with all this consolidation. Started breaking out, came right down. Markets moved up. This pretty much drove the markets right straight back up to the top. Apple moves higher, everything moves higher. Market trade overall going back into big resistance up here, and the trend line, guys, once again. So we did have 100% retrace off this low right back to the top, or double top. Let's see if this thing can hang out. We did make a 52-week high today, which is 180.48. So let's see if this stays up here. We have a little bit of a tail up here, nothing crazy. Let's see if we get some follow through back to the downside. Apple easily can come right back down to these lows, guys. So just be careful with this rocket ship. What is this, SpaceX, guys? But yeah, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days pretty much straight up, guys, in the double top. Oh my gosh, you know, coming down, I see it, but going up, and then volume was okay in this. It's been pretty good in Apple, so watch for that. We had 38 million. We were only down 58 cents today, or 0.32%. So let's see what happens. Let's see if we get consolidation inside this green bar. Big area support, 176.38, and the gap fill right here around 175.51. We cracked that in 175. We're going to start kissing these moving averages and start filling gaps down here. So remember, guys, what I talked about. We gap it up over good resistance and just keep it going. I mean, they had to rocket ship this up through all the MAs. The 750, it stalls out, and then boom, 3 days up in the double top and a nice little pullback. Didn't get a reversal like we did with a lot of stocks, but we got a little tail and we closed, like I said, below the trend line. So keep an eye on Apple. Let's see what it gives us. I want to see on the weekly close, and then we'll try to figure out if this thing's going to go higher or come right back and retrace back down. So, all right, and Amazon, I think it hit a new high today again. Yeah, 1522. Oh no, that's 1526. Oh no, it did. Yeah, new high today. That was the old low by about $4 or $5. Stalling out here. So let's go back. Let's lift up the Amazon right there. So next big area, guys. I still have something up here, right around the 1575, 1600 area. Let's see if this thing can chug. It's Amazon. It does the same thing over and over. Rocket ship pulls back. Rocket ship. This one though, this was pretty good. Let's see. Let's go back here. Yeah, well, right here had a nice pullback, 1095 to 9. Yeah, that was about 150 points. Oh, this thing's due to pull back, guys. So if you're long Amazon, just make sure you're taking profits, lock them in. You don't want to wake up one morning and this thing's just gapping down with the whole market. The next thing you know, we're at $1,000. I still think we're filling this gap right here around 977. It's just a matter of time. You saw here when we went from 1500 right to 1264 in a couple days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. 200 and what is it? Yeah, 240 points. So if we have a couple more days of that, that's another 240. We'll be right back down into this area. So watch for this. Tighten the stops. Again, I don't have a crystal ball. I'm just trying to follow the charts. We're into this big round number, 1500, and it's trying, guys. So let's see what it does tomorrow. Had a nice little bat reversal candle here. Did it engulf? Almost. I want to see. Let's see. Let's open it up. See that right there? So almost engulfed this whole candle. We have some gaps to fill coming down. Of course, they gap it up to give you support. They like creating support. So if this thing comes down, it's a little bit tougher unless we get, candles like this in volume. Watch volume on Amazon. Watch volume on the overall markets. If it starts picking up, I believe some more selling will start coming in. So, but Amazon, guys, they're just buying everything, ruling the world. Everyone's hyped about it. They're upgrading this thing pretty much every other week. That's all they talk about. They bought Ring today or going to or something. So we'll see. They're trying. The media to keep this market going, guys. Period. So we've been in a long bull run. And we're starting to get a little bit long in the tooth. So, all right, guys. So that's Amazon on the daily. Keep an eye on this one. See if it consolidates sideways, still above the moving averages, still in a good stance. So let's see what it gives us chart-wise, other than straight up, guys, for like 10 days or whatever, 11 days. Let's see what pattern it gives. If it does give us sideways action, 20 MA curls up, this thing could possibly go higher. Was it 1575, 1600 are the next areas, and 1550 up in that area. So, but it still has to get up, confirm. Let's look at the weekly on this one real quick. Yeah, weekly, gosh. Bottom line, guys, it's got to close above, say, 1505 on the weekly on Friday's close, and then it's got to, I got to see more volume than this. So, but we'll go over the weekend update with Amazon on all this. It's only Tuesday, but Friday's close with a lot of the indexes I'm looking at, it's really important, especially to see if we're going to start moving up more. So, guys, though, we are due for more selling, so beware, tighten your stops. Be awake in these markets because you've seen what happened a couple weeks ago. It can damn well happen again. All right, guys, don't forget to like my video. Go to my website, sign up for my just free membership. It's you get the videos for free, or subscribe down here in the right-hand corner, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I guess you get email alerts when I'm going live and doing stuff like that. Again, guys, I really do appreciate you stopping by. God bless. See you on the charts.